I've been wanting to go and ride the Plumber in Jonkershoek for a while now, but everyone told me not to go and ride it on my own. So when Donnie invited me to go and ride with them, I was ecstatic because you don't get a lot of people who invite you to go and ride this trail. And yeah, we first went up to go and do another trail, and yeah, I was pretty scared. Luckily I got a few tips on how to do it, and I almost didn't ride this first trail, but yeah, luckily they convinced me that they have a lot of faith in my skills, so I gave it a shot.
No biting, but alright. Survive. Okay. I'll just stick to the middle.
Ja, just middle. Goed, middle.
Hier is hy. Kyk sommer met die intrapslag. Vat jy my teen die...
Jy gaan sien, hè. So jy gaan hom nou ry. Dan gaan hom weer elke keer just ek gaan eers kyk kom ry myself met die shit.
Ja.
En dan elke keer dan haas ek.
Kyk, is bly dit.
Next up we were off to one of my favorite trails in Jonkershoek. It's fast, flowy and just loads of fun. It's called Armageddon.
Ek moet sê my bene is nog steeds Ja, my senuwee like soos 'n overload of nie endorphins nie. Adrenaline.
Next up we were heading to the Plumber, and I've been wanting to do the Plumber for a long time. So I was really happy that Donnie was willing to take me with his friends. Yeah, I didn't quite have the guts to do the bottom section, but eventually I gave in to do this top little drop in, which wasn't too bad. next section was probably the section I found the hardest out of the whole Plumber trail. And I think it's just because I wasn't expecting those steps. And they don't even look so bad on the video. It really freaked me out for a moment.
Ek is nou klaar langs.
This part of the trail was also really hard. You just had to keep your momentum, and I was really happy when I managed to get to the bottom without falling over. I think there was quite a bit of luck involved there as well.
Holy shit.
Last section of the Plumber coming up. By then our brakes were screaming. I think they were probably overheating from all the braking from the top.
Okay.
Jy hou so ver reg, so ver links. Dan gaan jy 'n rock shoot kry. Die rock shoot laat los jy net brieke, dan gaan jy bo oor. Jy gesien wat teens nou.
Ek het gesien.
Selfde daar, jy rol hom net. Alles is rollable. En dan die enigste draad.
Ja.
That one on the rock in front of him.
Ja, klip af voor. Jy gaan tot bo op die klip en jy pop met jou voorwiel. En dis dit. Okay.
Alright.
Do you want to have a look at it?
No, I'll be good.
Okay.
You can go.
I'll pick up the pieces in case.
Alright. I know it's going to go well.
It's easier than a lot of the rolls you've been doing.
At this point, I'm exhausted. And I'm just hoping the end is not too far away. But yeah, let's do this, Jack.
I have said so many fucks today. Dat is mooi, nie?
Jumps in, maar anders gaan we ook richting af.
Wag, ek het net 'n bietjie bewe. Okay.
Ja, alles te lang, hè?
One day I also want to cycle as fast as these guys ahead of me.
Ek kan dit net kon figure.
So that's when the car bounce.
That's the end of a really awesome day out. I'm definitely going to have to go and do it again sometime soon.